In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can recover My Eyes Only passcode if forgotten. You can simply get back access to My Eyes Only in case you don't remember your passcode. To do this, simply open up your Snapchat. Head into your memories. In the section of My Eyes Only, tap right here on Options. It's just right here. Then select the option of Forgot Passcode. You will have to enter your Snapchat account password. On this page, you will have to click and agree right here and create a new passcode. Unfortunately, if you don't know your current My Eyes Only passcode, there is no way to access snaps that you saved to My Eyes Only. To reset to a new passcode, all your saved snaps in My Eyes Only will get deleted. You just have to tap on Continue and get back access to My Eyes Only again. Then you will be able to save other snaps in My Eyes Only. That's how easy it is to get back access to My Eyes Only on Snapchat if passcode is forgotten. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.